Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to get monetized on Instagram and explain the process step by step so you can start earning. Now let's get started. Step 1, open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right. This takes you to your personal page where all your account settings are located. Step 2, tap the 3 lines in the top right. This menu gives you access to more options and tools. Step 3, scroll down and tap account type and tools. This section lets you change how your account is set up. Step 4, tap switch to professional account. A professional account unlocks features like analytics and monetization tools. Step 5, tap next and choose what best describes you. This helps Instagram understand your role, whether you are a creator or a business. Step 6, tap switch to professional account and complete the setup. This finalizes the change and prepares your account for monetization. Step 7, go back and refresh to your profile page. Refreshing ensures that the new settings are applied correctly. Step 8, tap Professional Dashboard. This dashboard is where you manage insights, tools, and monetization options. Step 9, tap the gear or cog icon in the top right. This opens the settings for your professional dashboard. Step 10, scroll down and tap Monetization Status. This section shows whether your account is eligible for monetization. Step 11, confirm you are eligible for monetization with branded content. Eligibility is important because only approved accounts can earn through brand deals. Step 12, go back to the professional dashboard. This is your main hub for managing monetization tools. Step 13, scroll down and find branded content under tools. Branded content is the feature that allows you to work with brands directly. Step 14, tap branded content. This opens the settings for branded content tools. Step 15, review the eligibility requirements. Make sure you meet all the conditions before enabling the tools. Step 16, tap enable to turn on branded content tools. This activates the feature so you can start tagging brand partners. Step 17, reach out to brands directly or work through an agency for brand deals. This is how you begin collaborating and earning money. Step 18, when creating a post, tap more options at the bottom. This gives you access to advanced settings for your content. Step 19, tap partnership label and ads. This option lets you add transparency by labeling your brand collaborations. Step 20, add the partnership label and publish the post. This ensures your post follows Instagram's rules and shows your audience the brand partnership. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more tutorials.